Hi, welcome to modeling graphics. Hi, my name is Kenny. In today's tutorial, I will be designing YouTube thumbnail. So, follow me. Now, you click, okay, you click the check mark, then you click on the image size. You go to YouTube thumbnail. You know, 1280, the height is 720. Then you click on OK. Then you click I'm going to be using this color. This you can see the color code 0. Okay, click here. You type the code. Okay, type in the code. You click on this plus button. Then you type on the code. You click here. Then you press the blue arrow. This blue arrow. You click on it. Then you click on the OK. Yeah, I think you got that. Then you go to import image. Remove .ai. Download. Let me look for the image. This is the picture. Yeah. I'm going to import the second picture. Second image. PNG wink. PNG wink. I downloaded it from PNG wink. Sorry. Reduce it. Let me hide this. Then let's first work on the picture. Okay. I want the man picture to show. Let me reduce it. Let's type house suite. I'm going to use Montserrat Monsara font. So Montserrat black, Montserrat bold, Montserrat. If you don't have the font, you can download it on Google. Just type Montserrat font, and Google will display it. How sweet. Then I'm going to use black, Montserrat black. I want to lay emphasis on the sweet. How sweet. Using center alignment. How sweet. Check whether it's on. How sweet. Then I'm going to create a shape. Red color. This color is too. Let me use yellow. Color yellow. This is green. Name of Jesus. Let me copy this out, because any font we want to use on our shape, it has to be bold font. Name of Jesus. Then we reduce the size. Notice this kind of color cannot work, so we have to use another font. Name of Jesus. You have to use another color that will show. Name of Jesus. How sweet. Yeah. Then we are going to put the is here. Is the name. I'm going to use script fonts for this. Script fonts. This is autos. Then we are going to use small space so that the is can come out. Then I'm going to bold it. Then we are going to give it a yellow color. A yellow color. You see our design is coming out now. Our thumbnail is coming out. Then we are going to create another shapes. let me copy from this shape. Yeah, then we go to relative yeah, relative size. I'm going to reduce the widest. Yeah, this time close. This is that one. Then we are going to write the copy this text. The 2, the 1. Let's write the 1 capital letter. We are still going to reduce the size to fit in. Then relative line spacing, so that it can be a little close. Wow. Our thumbnail is coming, looking good. The 1. Then what is it remaining? Then our YouTube thumbnail. Our YouTube let me make sure that this thing is aligned. Although we are aligning our text to the, but it must be in the same compositions. Yeah, then we are going to type prophet Ezekiah, Prophet Eze Oluboye Oladeji. Yeah, I think we'll give it capital letter. Then we change the font to lighter font. We can give it a regular font or medium. Montserrat medium. Let's use medium. Montserrat medium. Let's look for Montserrat medium. Montserrat. We have the regular, multi-italic medium. Let's use multi-italic medium. Yeah, still okay like this. You see our YouTube channel have start looking good. What can we do again? Then I'm going to reduce the size of this thing together. Sorry, I want to add some text, and that is this. Then a program. A real program. And we just increase the size a little bit. No. This is not our focus. And then we use regular fonts. Then reduce it a little bit. Yeah. Let me check. we are almost done with our design. Yeah. If you find this, then you save. Sorry, save your design as Ultra. It saves. If you find this video helpful, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell in order to see more video. Thank you.